Okay, what we want to do now is we want to connect to our virtual machine and view it. So we need to, for example, log into one of these Shakespeare servers, any one of them, and show VM and see which machines are currently running. I'm going to try to connect to this temp machine, which is running on Caesar, and it's running at port 11. Now, all the things you need to keep in mind about these ports are you need to add the number 5900 to any one of these ports that are listed. So this one would be 5911. This one would be 5951. This one would be 6036 because we just added 5900 to that, and if you do it, 6036. Those are the key port numbers. Anyway, if I was accessing here locally, meaning I was on campus in the CIT lab, for example, what I could do is I could then open up my favorite VNC client, and I could say, hey, let's connect to Caesar, cs.dixie.edu, 5911, and we say connect, and there's our OS. More often than not, though, you'll want to connect from home. So when you connect from home, you need to first build a tunnel. I'll show you how to do this in OS 10, and similar rules would follow for Linux, and then I'll show in a different tutorial how to do it in Windows. But in this case, we want to do SSH, and we can't go directly to Caesar because it is blocked from off campus, so we have to build a tunnel through a machine that is called ssh.cs.dixie.edu. So we will connect to ssh.cs.dixie.edu, and at this point it would actually log me into that machine, but I don't want it to just log me into the machine. I want it to redirect traffic for me or create the tunnel, and here's the juice that allows us to do that. So I'm going to tell it grab an unused port number to forward it to on my local operating system and say caesar.cs.dixie.edu port 5911. That command right there says take all traffic that going to Caesar cs.dixie.edu 5911, forward it to my local port 9998, and we hit enter, make sure we're logged in, and then I'll open up my favorite VNC client. Well, this isn't my favorite, but it's one I'm using. Localhost 9998, connect. There we are. We've built the tunnel. Now we're connected to our machine. You can do that at home as well. And next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it in Windows. So